Good morning. It's day 127 of Safety 365, and I'm John Newquist. And we're going to talk about nail guns. 37,000 people a year go to the emergency room for nail guns. Um, I see different styles. The gun all has a safety trigger that you press it, it won't fire until you push the nozzle spring down, and then that prevents it. The trouble is there's guns that you can just grab and hold just like this gentleman has, and then just keep on tapping the muzzle um, safety down, and it'll keep on firing a nail, which is where the accidents come in all the time. I'm a fan of every time you press down, you have to repress the trigger, and that it's a lot better. But he's placing the nail gun, the fire on contact, which is the 99% of all these nail gun injuries, is my opinion. The gun touched his body, and with a nail in his chest, had died after calling his wife, telling me he was hurt. Wow, what a sad story. And it is kind of like almost like a loaded gun, but it won't fire unless two things happen. You have to press and hold the trigger, and push the nozzle down, and then another one would be you'd have to repress the trigger again, but that's missing in a lot of them. So let's be safe with nail guns. Let's talk more about it tomorrow, and I'll see you later.